Hi guys, the other day while driving with my 1976 Lincoln Continental, I ran across this Fiat 770S, which was actually not built by Fiat but by Seat in Spain, Barcelona. And we made a little size and sound comparison. The car has a 770 cubic centimeter, 47 cubic inch engine. And this is my 1976 Lincoln Continental Mark IV Jade White Luxury Group option. So let's start the engine for a little sound comparison. Now here comes the owner lady of the Fiat. Wait, my car sounds much better than yours. Oh yes, very impressive indeed. So thanks for watching, subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.